I just wanted to come on and demonstrate our 3D fibre lash mascara, plus using the hairdryer to help curl your eyelashes. So you get your tube of your transplanting gel, and then you get your tube of your fibres. Obviously these fibres are 100% natural, they're rayon fibres, so if you do get any in your eye, they're not really discomfort, only like an eyelash going in your eye, and you'll be able to just get it out like an eyelash, you can. So this is all completely natural. The transplanting gel is enriched with our uplift serum, so it actually conditions your eyelashes as well. So I just thought I'd just come on and demonstrate. So you always do it gel, fibres, gel. So you can build it up as many times as you want. So it's completely buildable to whatever desire you want. I just put the gel on the bottom lashes myself. I like to just have the fibres on the top lashes. So just start off applying it like you do any normal mascara, but the only difference going to be is coating the top part. So you don't want to coat the top part of your lash all the way down, so it's like mid-length to ends that you just put in the transplanting gel on, and then go back the opposite way. And then you get your fibres, which are very tiny fibres. And it really doesn't matter if you get any of these fibres on your face, because you can just sweep them off afterwards. I'm just going to do the other eye with the gel first. I don't put the second coat of the gel on until after I've done the other eye. It's just a habit that I've got into. Doesn't mean to say that you've got to do it that way. And then before putting the other gel on, like I say, to seal that in, hairdryer nozzle just on your low setting, so cool setting firstly. just a quick blast, and that helps to curl them up. And I'm just going to go back over with the gel. That's basically sealing in the fibres. Because I'm wanting more desired effect, just go add some more fibres. And like I say, you just keep doing this until you get to the desired length and fullness effect that you want. It is, this mascara and fibres is water resistant. It's not waterproof, but it is water resistant. But I have been to a funeral whilst wearing it, didn't budge at all. As long as you pack and you don't rub, it stays in. And as I'm at the desired length that I wish, I'm just going to put my final coat of transplanting gel. This you don't need to do the hairdryer again, you can if you so wish. Just trying to get best picture. Hopefully you can see the lovely effect. Try not to demonstrate my nose. So who needs false lashes when you got these? Thank you.